Earning money without any upfront investment is possible through various methods. One effective approach is freelancing, when you can offer skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. This allows you to set your rates and choose projects that match your expertise. Another option is online tutoring. If you have knowledge in a specific subject, consider helping students through websites like tutor.com or VIP Kid. I'll put it in the description. This can be a rewarding way to generate income. Now, selling unused items is also very practical as a strategy. Decluttering your home and listing items on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist can quickly bring in cash without any investment. All right? Participating in surveys and market research also is another way, another avenue for you. Many companies are willing to pay for customer opinions, with sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie offering rewards for completing surveys or watching videos. If you enjoy creating content, starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast on a topic that you're passionate about, that could be beneficial. While it may take time to build an audience, you can eventually monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Finally, consider pet sitting or dog walking in your neighborhood, or through apps like Rover if you love animals. And by leveraging your existing skills and resources, you can create income streams without financial investment.